welcome to another CLD preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. We are continuing with the daily CLD problems. Please pause the video and try to understand the requirement of the problem. The objective of this problem is to identify which codes actually generates the even number. So the option A is correct because whenever the remainder is 0, when you divide by 2, it will be the even number. And in this second option, here what we're doing is we're ending the number with the Boolean value. Any Boolean number that ends with 1 will be odd. So in this case, if the value will be 0, that is false, then it is an even number. Now we are moving into the option C. In option C, we're checking the LSB of the Boolean value. If the LSB is true, then it is going to be odd number. So C is incorrect. Finally, we'll look into the option D. Option D is the same as the option C, but in this case, since the value has been negated, that means this value will lead to true value when the number is even. So the correct answers are A, B, and D. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for future LabVIEW videos. I'll see you next on the another CLD preparation video.